Okay guys, this is me in all of my glory. Power of makeup is a beautiful thing, but I wanted to introduce this video. This is a collab with my friends Angela over at Beauty by Angela and Courtney K, of course, here on YouTube. I will link both of their channels down below. This I blame Angela for completely. Angela came up with the idea that we would do a Tipsy get ready with us. And if you can't already tell, I've been pre-gaming a little bit. Long story short, we all got sent a beautiful wine glass, which is so fitting. I mean, lipstick, lashes, and wine, baby. Let's dive into getting ready, shall we? I have no clue what we're gonna be doing on my face, but we're gonna kind of play it by ear. Let's just do this. All right, so my dog is in here with me. She's laying underneath right here, and I have a feeling that she's judging me. Do you really think this is a smart idea? You know, you and makeup and inebriation? And the answer is yes, I do, Winter, and stop judging me, you shifty-eyed dog. This is the start. This is the beginning. Let's see where it goes. Pace yourself, honey, pace yourself. So the first question that I got asked was, what are my favorite skincare products? And this one is a very hard question for me because I try a lot of skincare. I get some in prescription boxes. This girl needs a prescription box right now. Are you serious? I can't even talk. Subscription boxes, which basically is a prescription. Let's be honest. I need to stop saying let's be honest because I'm always honest. I mean, you all know me by now, don't judge me. How many kids do you have, Shay? Well, now, that's a good question. Me personally, as in I gave birth to 5 children. I am 29, or I'm 29, wow, I went back a year. Geez, this girl's on a roll today. This wine is kicking in. I am 30 years old and I have 5 children. The reason why I have 5 and not 4 is because I have a set of twins. My fiance, Nick, he has 2 girls prior to us getting together who are older. So, on the weekends, my friends, this poor girl right here that you're looking at, and the reason why I think I have some wine is because on the weekends, 7 children in my house. Yes, 7. I'm not gonna do this as like a tutorial style. I'm gonna kind of just go through this and have you guys watch what I do. But honestly, like you can hear my voice already, like starting to get I don't wanna have to try to be like the drunk math teacher that comes to school when you're in high school, you know? I don't wanna be that guy. All right, let's ask another question. And this one was, what are tips that you have to help grow your YouTube channel because your channel has grown very quickly? I think the most important thing is to be unique. You gotta stand out. You gotta make it so people remember you. The other tip that I have for building your channel fast is obviously give people what they want to see. Girl, what are you gonna do with your life? You can't even get through a video without babbling. Like, this is horrible. I'm now going into, this is gonna be such a freaking like boing 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 ADD video. I'm sorry. This is the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadow hashtag palette that I hauled in my Sephora VIB haul video. I'll link it somewhere up there. I just dug my nail in one of the things. That's awesome. Great job. I forgot what I was saying. Anyway, I'm going into the shade TBT down here. We're gonna start working in this bottom row of purple. Oh, another good one. This one I've actually had a lot of questions on since I started my channel. I've had a ton of people ask me, what are my tattoos? Or how many tattoos I have, things like that. I have 16 tattoos. I have a half sleeve on my right arm and a bunch of multiple other ones. Both of my ribs are tattooed. It's hard to count it's hard to count 16 individual ones anymore. I obviously can't show you them all because a lot of them are underneath my clothing, but I do have both ribs done. I have my stomach done, my lower back, my upper back, my shin, my arms, both wrists. It's everywhere. Nick watches my kids. He just pops the TV on to nursery rhymes while I'm filming. So we're just gonna hang out and groove to This Is the Way We Brush Our Teeth, Brush Our Teeth, Brush Our Teeth. Okay, so I feel like my upper crease area is dark enough. I feel thirsty. My nose looks like an alien just then. Look at. Oh! I can't think too hard right now, so I'm gonna be. Pterodactyl, I think, just flew by my house. Going into this shade down at the bottom called Petty AF. which obviously was made for me because that's me. We're just gonna dip into that purple shade, and I'm gonna put this pretty much from the center of my eye all the way to the outer edge. Apparently now we're rocking out to Mary Had a Little Lamb. This is my favorite. I could rave to this song, man. It's not my kid crying, that's the TV. I feel like I'm gonna use my finger. I'm gonna use my finger because that's what he said. Anything metallic really just applies best with your finger, making a huge mess in the process. Fantastic. I'm gonna clean this fallout up and I will be right back. This girl loves her glitter, especially when every day. I don't know, I was gonna say like spring, but who the hell cares what year? What, oh my God. Who the hell cares what time of year it is? I like glitter all year round. Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow. This is in the shade Sunset Cove, and I'm gonna actually place this all over the very inner corner and then bring it and drag it up to about the halfway mark. So I'm gonna let this dry before I start messing around with eyeliner and mascara. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go onto the face. Now, there is a question I wanna bring up. The question that I'm gonna have, and this question scared me for a while, and I'm only being honest with you because let's be real, the liquid courage over here. I drooled, you see? I am sure you guys are wondering how the hell, or why the hell, did you go from being a like white, platinum, blonde, silver, whatever, long hair, to short blue bob? Why did you do that? Well, this color, this hair is not my hair. I have hair. I do have hair. These are wigs. And some people might have noticed, some people may not, because they're very realistic looking. My natural hair color is actually very similar, if not identical, to the shadow rooting in my wigs. All of my wigs have this shadow root thing for the intention that it's gonna look like my actual hair. So you can see my real hair. It's here. This is my real hair. It does poke through. It does kind of meld and mesh together, but this is not my hair, and neither was the blonde. I know, I keep looking up, I'm like validating myself by looking up at my viewfinder like, Shay, you can do this. You can talk about this. I'm just gonna put it out there. I do not want pity. I don't want anybody to feel any different about me than they have already. I was diagnosed with a serious disease last year, and the treatment for that, I know you guys can put 2 and 2 together. It's not that difficult. The treatment for that was I lost all of my hair, my eyelashes, my eyebrows, and everything. So, the reason why I wear my wigs is because I still have hair. Like I said, I look like Ruby Rose, to be honest with you, when my hair is out and styled and everything, but I love my wigs because I can change my wigs based on what I'm wearing. I can literally match my makeup to my wigs. They are incredibly comfortable for me. They are fun. They are something that I love to have because in real life, I wouldn't have the courage nor the funds to maintain having blue hair. And then if I didn't like it, I would have to be stuck with it. Whereas now, every day, I can switch from brown to blonde to blue to white to, I do have purple as well. So it's fun. Am I gonna take my wig off right now? Probably not, because my hair's not done and it looks like a hot mess. But I did wanna say that is the reason why you have noticed things changing with my hair. What is this? My wing. Look at it, I'm gonna fly away. Whee! Such a good wine, you guys, and it's so inexpensive. I'm gonna be using this Collab foundation. I've talked about this before in a favorites video. I really like this. This is available at Sally Beauty. I'm slurring. Can you hear it? I'm actually slurring. I can't believe it. What a wino. I love using my L'Oreal sponge to blend this in. This also is one of those foundations that a brush works fantastic. And it's got really nice coverage. I'd say it's like a medium, but you can definitely build it up. It's got a nice finish. It's not super dewy, so you're not gonna look oily or anything like that, but it's got really, really nice coverage on it. My body is like ever so slightly self-tanned, not that you'd ever even notice because I'm pale as a freaking ghost, but it's probably like a half a shade darker than my face, which is fine. I can fix that with bronzer and stuff. I don't know why I'm even babbling about this crap. You guys don't care. I just wanted to wait until this video before I start to post my reviews on a couple hair products that I've been really working with and trying. So you knew that I have, just because I wear wigs, I do have hair. Stop giving disclaimers, Shay. They love you and they don't care. So I'm gonna use my Shape Tight type. How much makeup do you buy in a month? I will be showing you guys my collection video in the future, not right now because I'm obviously packed and moving, but I do have a very large collection. I get sent a lot of makeup and I purchase a lot of makeup. So it really depends. I tend to purchase more makeup than any other time during the holiday season where all the sets come out and you have the VIB sale in November. It's hard to say how much I buy in a month because it varies completely. Will my kids ever be in my videos? My kids have actually been in my videos. I don't think my oldest has, but you very often will see a little hand pop up, or in another one of my videos, I think my son does something or says something or he's being goofy or something like that. So my son and my youngest, Autumn, she's the one that you see the most because she's home with me most of the time. All right, girls, be happy I just spared you the pain of watching me try to do my eyebrows like during this time. Who is my beauty inspiration? Overall, my beauty inspiration, not related to, you know, how colorful my makeup is or my crazy Instagram brows or all that stuff, but in general, I am actually, little fun fact for you, I'm related to Jackie O. So Jackie Onassis, yes, the ex-president's wife. Jackie, to us, always just emitted this beauty and glamour and grace and everything else. Jackie, no matter what she wore or what she did, she was just gorgeous, and she has always kind of been my beauty inspiration, I guess. And yeah, a lot of it's the fact that I'm related to her, but at the same time, I just feel like she was such an admirable, iconic woman in this day and age. I don't know, I just like to stand out from the crowd. I don't like to be somebody that can be grouped in with anybody else. So another question that I get and got a lot was what made me want to start a YouTube channel? And this is kind of a funny answer. I didn't want to start a YouTube channel. I had no interest in starting a YouTube channel. People kept begging me and begging me and begging me to just make a YouTube channel. So finally, I broke and I decided that I would make a YouTube channel, and now it literally is growing like wildfire, and that's great. I'm glad. It makes me happy that I can help a lot of people, or that you guys find me entertaining, because I mean, let's be real, I'm entertaining. Courtney K, let's bring you up, girl, because you're crazy. I got a question of, would you ever consider a friend or sibling or a partner for Titus? The answer is hell no, because we already have another dog who's Titus's best friend. She's my old fart Winter. She's a hound. She's the one you hear honking in the background like a goose. And between her and Titus being a just massively large puppy and a puppy, no, I have no intention of any more dogs. In fact, Titus will be my last dog. I know I said that before I ever got Titus. I never realized how much concentration it takes when you are not at your 100% to put on mascara. It's a scary process to put things this close to your eye, you guys. I will do my lower lash line after I finish blush and all that stuff. I always tend to do my lower lash line pretty much last. I'm not gonna wear false lashes today. I normally do, but I don't know, I like this eye look and the way it's kind of open, so if I put lashes on, I feel like it's gonna cover too much. I'm gonna be using the Bare Minerals Gen Nude blush. All of the Gen Nude blushes are amazing. You will see this in my favorites video as well, too. This one is in the shade Call My Blush. It's beautiful. So I'm just going to lightly blush up the cheeks. See how it just gives you a little bit of life? Like, the side's kind of like, bleh. And then there's like, life. Let's see, another question. Would you ever have purple hair? The answer to that is absolutely, because now that you know that my hair is not my actual hair, I actually have a lavender wig. The same style, just longer, and it's lavender. So yes, I do currently have purple hair. I don't wear that one as much because that one has a tendency to tangle really bad if it's windy out. Will I ever show my natural hair? Absolutely, absolutely. I will only show it probably when it doesn't look like a sheep's butt, because it's all like wavy and curly up top, because it's horrible. But I will show my real hair. If you guys are curious to see what my hair actually looks like, you should already know, because you should be following me on Instagram. And if you don't, my Instagram is always linked in my description box below. And I post pictures of my natural everything a lot. So you'll be able to see multiple ones of my wigs. You'll be able to see my natural hair. Another question, do you wear contacts, or is that blue your actual color? This blue in my eyes is my actual eye color. I actually have incredibly good vision. I believe it is 20/10 vision in both eyes, so I don't need help seeing anything. I'm trying so hard to keep a straight face, you guys. When I drink, I laugh. I laugh a lot and I joke around a lot, so I'm really trying here to not like overwhelm you with me giggling. I think I'm out of wine. It's like my 3rd glass, you guys. Don't judge me. You're probably over there eating hot dogs and bonbons and watching this. I am a highlighting queen, you guys. Like, this is one of my favorite products in general ever, and I have a lot of them. But like, look at that. How can you not love that? It's just such a beautiful, just glow. Okay, you guys, I also put a little bit of highlighter on my collarbones, and like, can we talk about how beautiful that looks? Okay, now this is a very tacky lipstick, so once this dries down just a touch, I am gonna pop a little bit of gloss in the center of my lips. You can see them stick together, watch. See? It is a little bit sticky. It does dry down completely matte, and eventually it will be transfer proof, but I don't like when my lips like get stuck together. I don't mind a little bit of tackiness, but I hate when they're straight up sticky. So once, like I said, once this dries down for just a second, I will answer a couple more questions, and then I'm gonna pop a little bit of gloss on, and then we're pretty much done. I'm just gonna pop a buxom lip gloss on over top. This is in White Russian. You learn that this community is actually a very close community. You always are gonna see the drama. There's always drama on the bigger channels. It's just the way it is. It's hype, it's clickbait, it's whatever. But when you're in the beauty community here on YouTube, you get this sense of like camaraderie where you want to support each other. You want to help each other out. You are always getting compliments from each other. It's actually a really nice place to be. I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. I hope it's not gonna be too long. If I didn't get to your questions, I'm sorry. I tried to get as many as I could fit in, but this is the finished look. I will kind of show you guys a little bit. Thank you guys for being understanding and supportive of some things that were scary for me to talk about, and I love you guys, and I can't wait to see where this channel goes, especially when I get to the new house with a better filming area, yada yada, new products. I have a bunch of reviews coming up of things that were sent to me of the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. It's never been touched, never been opened, never been swatched. So super excited about this, and we will be doing a tutorial / look with this next. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Don't forget to jump down and subscribe if you have not already, and check out Angela and Courtney down in my description box and go see their video of their Tipsy Get Ready With Me's. And don't forget to hit the notification bell because YouTube is being an absolute jerk about it. And if you don't click the bell, you won't see our videos in your newsfeed, which is absolute BS. But it's true, and that's the way it is. So thank you guys for hanging out with me, having a couple glasses of wine, and I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you did. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.